Hi guys. Okay, serious question. Is quarantine almost over? Does this mean I have to start remembering how to be a human again? Learning how to put on a bra once again? I have actually forgot, yes. I've also forgotten how to do my makeup. I can't do a wing liner to save my life anymore. Can I at least just wear my favorite t-shirt every day and call it a day? Before you start worrying that you may never be able to leave the house again and that quarantine will never end, let me show you some genius get ready with me hacks that will boost your confidence right where it should be. On top of these hacks, I've created these really cute worksheets that will help you stay organized, just help you stay sane during these crazy times. If you guys are interested in these, there's so many different ones. Everything will be linked down below. Oh, and did I mention it's free? Lastly, I just want to let you know that you can actually text me right now. Here's my number right here. This week, I will be replying to everyone that texts me with the word jelly bean. Why jelly beans? I don't know. We're going crazy. All right, let's get on into this video. By the way, if you enjoy these types of videos, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down. And that just kind of shows me how you really feel about certain content. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. If you're tired of getting your sleeves, arms, and entire bathroom wet while washing your face, you need to try this easy hack that will absorb your problem. All you need is to use some classic wrist sweatbands while you're washing your face so that the water gets all soaked up before dripping down your elbows and onto your socks. You guys, this is game changer. Also, a good way to store your new wrist towels is around your bottle of face wash so that you do not need to lose or forget them when it's time to wash your face. This also just takes care of any excess water left on your bottle. I love that these come in a variety of colors. I recommend getting this pack. I will link it down below. Have you been wasting your last few face wipes because they keep drying up? With this quick little tip, you'll never have to worry about tossing perfectly good wipes because you'll be putting them to use. Super simple. When you're done using your face wipes to remove your dirt or makeup or just give your face a nice clean and fresh feeling, store the wipes upside down so that the moisture distributes itself evenly throughout the entire package. Such a simple, easy trick, and it could be such a game changer. And every time that you use your wipes after, make sure to flip the package over again so that the moisture stays even until the very last wipe. It's been months since I've actually worn anything cute other than my plain just comfy t-shirt, and honestly I don't want to put anything else on. Now I've seen these really cute trending front tie shirts on other girls and mannequins at stores, but when it actually comes to myself trying it, girl, it does not look right. Now this TikTok hack actually teaches us a new technique that will make it so you won't have to retire your baggy t-shirt just yet. So first grab the t-shirt from both sides of the bottom, then bring them to the middle where you want your knot to go and tie the two pieces of material together like a shoelace. Then take the material from one end and tuck it under the other to secure a perfect front knot look. This makes it so you will always have enough material to use and gives your plain t-shirt a nice chic look out of a magazine. Yeah. As we enter summer, raceback shirts are a great way to stay cool and show off those shoulders, but not when your bra straps are in plain sight. Now if you want to wear tank tops without exposing your bra straps, here is a cool little gadget that you can use. You can actually just use a paper clip as well, but I love this one even more. You just attach the two straps together in the back to hide the straps under the material of the shirt. It's that easy. Dennis actually helped me with this one. Don't forget to loosen the straps first as there's enough room for the straps to stretch together, and voila, no more exposed bra straps. Are you tired of wearing leggings or a tight dress and exposing your panty line? Girl, look at what happened to me here in Blog Lotties. That was so embarrassing. I did a collab and literally all you see is my camel toe. It's crazy. So try getting strapless undies. Yes, this is a real thing. I know. All you have to do is remove the adhesive covering on both sides and paste directly onto your skin. Now you don't have to feel uncomfortable about not being covered down there while also worrying about panty lines being exposed, you guys. This is such an amazing girl hack. Please get yourself some. I will link this one down below too. If you're ever planning to wear low-cut shoes but can't find any low-cut socks to wear them with and going sockless, it's not gonna happen. Try the simple folding hack to turn your regular socks into no-shows in seconds. First, start by putting your socks down all the way. Then fold the socks down from the ankles until the top part can be wrapped around your toes, and stretch the remaining part of the sock under your foot until it reaches your heel and leave it there for a comfy no-show solution. If your bra straps uncomfortably are digging into your shoulders and leaving marks after wearing them all day, you have to try the bra strap cushions. You guys, this easy Amazon purchase is a game changer. All you need to do is slide the cushion underneath your bra strap and secure the silicone around the strap to keep them in place. This hack legit makes me forget that I'm even wearing a bra, which is amazing. I'm obsessed. If you're like me and don't like wearing bras with underwire, because literally this is the most uncomfortable thing ever and always ends up poking out and digging into my skin, but a smart little fix to this is to use Moleskin to keep the wire contained. Now begin by pushing the loose wire back into its place, then take your Moleskin and estimate about how much you need. You'll need enough to cover the hole and then the area around it. Next, use a pair of sharp scissors to cut out your desired piece. Remove the adhesive, apply it to the hole. You'll need to hold down the patch for a few seconds to make sure it stays in place, and there you go, like a brand new bra without having to spend the cash on it. All right, let's just pretend that you're finally ready to go out with your favorite pair of heels, but when you put them on, you notice that they have almost lost all their traction, making them way too slippery and dangerous for your much awaited plan. Here's the secret that will get you back on your feet and walking out the door in no time. All you need to do is take a small piece of sandpaper and now gently, very gently, and I mean gently, girl, rough up the bottom of your heels to restore a little bit of traction that will keep you on your feet. Okay, you guys, I saw this new TikTok hack and I am obsessed. It's a new way to have heatless curls, which is always up my alley. All you're gonna need to get started is 2 sets of long socks or towels. First, you wanna make sure that your hair is damp and all the way brushed through. Then separate your socks into 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, depending on how thick your hair is. Take one of the socks or the rag from the top and clip it to the outside of the first section of hair. Split the section of hair into 2 even parts and wrap them around the socks, crossing each other in opposite directions until you reach the bottom. Then tie the loose ends together with a hairband at the bottom. Then repeat the process all over for the remaining sections. Apply a little small amount of hairspray if you'd like, and I recommend waiting about 3 hours. I actually ended up waiting 5 for this one, but lastly, just remove and reveal your beautiful new heatless curls. What do you guys think? Would you try this one out? Out of all the heatless methods that I've ever tried, I have to say by far this one is my favorite. Comment below if you would try this out. Leave me a comment letting me know which of these hacks was your favorite. Also, what are the things that you just struggle with as a girl? Like right now, one of my nails broke and then I just ate them all. And then I put on these stick-ons. Did I fake it? Can you tell? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you don't already know, I have a vlog channel where I post a few videos a week showing you my personal life. It's a little bit more edgy over there if you're into that. So I will leave the channel down below. As always, I love you guys. Subscribe, join the family. I want to give a huge shout out to Jazz for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Sending you lots of love and letters of love. If you want to be a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is be sure that you are here within the first 30 minutes that every video goes live and be the first to comment #notification_squad. If you do that, you'll get a shout out in my next video. I love you guys so much. If you haven't seen my last video, I actually did a Bible morning routine. A lot of you had requested it. Thank you guys for encouraging me. I was actually so scared at night reading those comments, but you guys were so sweet. So if you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you to check it out. It's been really nice, serene time for me. So I hope you guys have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.